But unfortunately, it's a very sad thing to say that the Muslim is not interested in wanting to convert. People talk about, doing dawah work. I say, let him carry on. But the community is not interested. They are interested in you. One Muslim is interested in you. They want to convert the converted. See? So you, why don't you keep a beard? Huh? You got a nice beard, Rafiq. Why don't you make it stand aside? That other brother I saw has got a nice beard there, but he shaved his moustache. So I says, our Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said that you must trim your moustache, not shave it. Busy with that. Salami or no salami? Salami or no salami? We must lift up our hands in dua or pray like that. Whether we must say dua loudly or silently. Man, we are busy, bashing each other. At the slightest little provocation, the slightest difference, we want to kill one another. But the ocean in which we are, we're getting absorbed, our daughters are running away wholesale, and now the Christians are also making inroads. Nobody's interested, nobody talks about it, as if the problem doesn't exist. Because it hurts us to think about it, to talk about it.